cooled down enough where I can eat it. I put some onions in, just added a little bit of salt to it, and here it goes. So awesome. A little bit of salt and pepper, garlic infused olive oil, butter, awesome. The mushroom itself is real chewable, soft. So good. I wish I had a steak. I'm gonna probably have to save some for work tomorrow. But I also got another puffball behind you. So, or behind, in front of me, behind you. Anyways, so just a little catch, clean, cook with a puffball mushroom. Hope you enjoy it. But make sure if you do this yourself, do your research. There's mushrooms out there that will kill you in 24 hours. Kidney failure, this, that, and the other thing. You don't want that. Do your research so you can enjoy the little things. All right? And I'm going to enjoy this.